Yagaw lang oh. Muna candy. Kahit kinamata. Dahil pas bunay.
Good morning, everyone. Our group will present a skit depicting the different roles and roles in the workplace. We will show through the skit the importance of not only the PPEs, but as well as the different factors that affect the safety of individuals like cleanliness, orderliness, cooperation, etc. So by this, we can say that safety is a way of living, which means that it is not done only in the workplace, but any place where there are lives to protect. So safety entails a lot of responsibility, discipline, and cooperation of individuals. So let's start with a skit.
Excuse me,